and I belong to the Rajasthan cadre. I would like to begin by expressing my profound and heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable President of India for giving us time out of his busy schedule to address, guide, and inspire us today. It is a matter of great pride and privilege to have got an opportunity to speak about the collective experience of the most memorable journey undertaken by each officer of the 2016 batch of the Indian Administrative Service. This beautiful journey began with the 91st Foundation course, where officers across the services were trained together. We were not only provided with all possible academic inputs and insights on public administration and good governance, but also through extracurricular activities like the Himalayan trek, village visits, we were able to forge like DDCO. Foundation course was succeeded by phase 1 of the IAS professional training. We got the priceless opportunity to travel across the length and breadth of the country. This Bharat Darshan enabled us not only to see India, but to feel India, to breathe India. On the academic side, classes were held on all subjects and matters that would come handy while executing the duties and responsibilities of an IAS officer. We were then sent out for nearly a year-long district training, whereby we got an opportunity to learn from the best collectors in the country, those people who were actually making a difference at the ground level. District training was succeeded by phase 2 training, where we were made to share our varied experience of working in the field from across the country, so that we learned the best practices of governance in India and also to learn from each other. Phase 2 towards the end had a week-long foreign study tour to help us understand the government. When I had joined the service 2 years ago, I did not have much idea on what it really means to be an IAS officer and how an IAS officer could fulfill his or her responsibilities to meet the expectations of this great nation. This training, this 2-year-long affair, has taught me and my batchmates to channelize our energies in the right direction, to become individuals who would impart their duties with utmost integrity, devotion, professionalism to solve the troubles of the last man. To conclude, I would like to quote a few lines from the Academy song of the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy course in the hearts and mind of all of us, which we all 176 officers have pledged to live by, what this training has really taught us. Raho dharm mein dheer, raho karm mein veer, rakho unnat sheer, daro na. Be firm in your faith, be courageous in action, keep your head erect, fear not. Thank you.